Hello guys! What you will do if your Facebook account has been locked temporarily due to phishing. Stay tuned for a step-by-step recovery and please subscribe my channel, like and comment and hit that notification bell for more video updates. Ayan guys, so nag-lock yung aking account, Facebook account. Ayan. Dahil nga daw sa may nag-access nito. Kaya temporary lock yung account ko. So sabi dito, it looks like some changes have been made to your account. Now we will help you change your password and look at the recent changes to your account. Password, number 2, pages you have liked or followed. 3, people you have added or followed. Number 4, posts. And last, the comment. So let's continue guys. Create a new password. Please create a new password. So I have to create a new password. Okay. So, hindi pwedeng gamitin yung mga password na ginamit na before. Let's have screenshots for this. Okay. Pages you like or followed. Okay. If you didn't like or follow any of these pages, you can remove them now. Skip. I have to skip because I followed them. People you've added or followed. If you didn't add these people or follow these profiles yourself, you can remove them now. It looks like they are familiar. Excuse me. Please delete any recent post that you don't want on Facebook. Skip. It's okay. Your account, okay, all finished. Thank you for taking the time to secure your account. Go to news feeds. Ayan. Alright, so okay na. Now my Facebook, I have been recovered my Facebook account. You know that why they lock my account temporarily? Really, because someone is accessing my Facebook account, and they said this is the so-called phishing. And if you don't know phishing, let's ask the Google. Okay, phishing. This is a sort of phishing is a sort of hacking anyone's account by phishing. Phishing.
Mga bobo, mga tanga.
Phishing. Tama ba spelling? Phishing. Hello Google.
Mga bobo, mga tanga.
Google, what is phishing?
According to Wikipedia, fishing is the activity of trying to catch fish. Fish are normally caught in the wild.
Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy this. Hit like, comment, and subscribe.